In this particular video, we will see that how we can perform or how we can make our Excel ready to do the statistical analysis. Though I should give you again a warning that Microsoft is a spreadsheet and it is not actual statistical software. However, it does provide you the possibility to conduct few basic statistical analysis in a good way. Let us open a Microsoft Excel. Now I will just prepare a data which we will be analyzing on the day 3. I'll be sharing with you an Excel sheet. Something like this. Okay. So in this Excel sheet, you can see that I have created a data sheet for control and one treatment. So just consider it an experiment of a plant by providing one treatment, right? And I do have 6 replicate in control and 6 replicate in the treatment 1. And as a variable, I have analyzed hydrogen peroxide, total antioxidant capacity, lipid peroxidation, polyphenol, and flavonoids. I should make it clear that it's a hypothetical data and it is not the actual experimental data. So to perform statistics in Excel, what you need is that you can go in data, right? Sorry, in formula, and then you can see that there are more functions and then statistical analysis. It does have a number of functions, the statistical functions, right? Which for many of the for many functions you have the possibility to do in the Excel. However, Excel also provides you analysis toolkit which is present in option. If you click here in file, go in option, go in add-ins, and then you will see here that there is an analysis tool pack. So if you click on analysis tool pack, in manage you have Excel add-ins, you go and then you select it, analysis tool pack. Okay. Now once you go in data, you will see that under the heading of analysis, you have data analysis option, right? If you click this data analysis tool, you will see that a number of different statistical function you can perform with the data analysis option, and that includes ANOVA, correlation, covariance, descriptive statistics, histograms, moving average, and so on. And then you have t-test, paired end, and then assuming covariance, and so on, right? So this is one way that in Excel you can conduct the descriptive statistic test. Right? So how do we do this descriptive statistics? That's a part of the day 3 program, and then there I will show you that how you perform the analysis for assumptions, which follows the parametric test. So this is how you open in the Excel, and then you conduct the basic statistical test. Now let us close this.